Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an investment forex broker website, guys. So, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer and also an app developer. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. So, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and stick to this channel because every week we'll be uploading a brand new videos. So, guys, on this platform we have features like investment plans, also live market analysis, right? Copy trading, AI trading bot, premium signals, apply for credit, credit history, referral program, and many more. So this investment platform allows all these features. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to implement all these and how to build a project just like that. I'm also going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get started with an investment project just like this. And make sure you stick around because I'll be leaving no stone unturned.
Let's go back to the homepage of this website and show you guys how the homepage of this platform looks like and how you can take advantage of it. So right here we have the homepage whereby we have trade global market with confidence, and right on the right hand side we have a live BTC USD current price rate. And right here we have the sign up, we have the login, right here we have trading system, company, education, contact, and right here we have live market analysis recap. So I'm just going to scroll down. Right here we have why trade with us. Over here we have trading tools, trading products, trading platform, fund methods, right? And right here we have market analysis and insight, live market overview. Right here we have diverse trading product, currency, right? Learn from market, tighter spread, faster education, execution, copy professional traders, about us. Right here we have investment plans, opportunity 150% per trade, 16%. Right here we have stay up to date with our expert. Right here we have advanced trading tools. Right here we have real-time market analysis. Right here we have how to trade. Right here we have start trading with algo trade and the footer, guys. I'm just going to scroll back to the top and show you guys how the registration page looks. I'm just going to come over to sign up, right? And I think since I'm already signed into an account, I have to log out to show you guys how the sign up features looks like. I'm just going to come over here, right? And then click sign out. Right now, I'm signing out of this account. I'm just going to come over to sign up to be able to show you guys how creating an account it's to show you guys how creating an account looks like. So right here we have register, 1+ million traders community, information, regional settings, security, account protection. Right here we have, I'm just going to fill in some random details, right? Then I'm going to put in username, right? And then phone number. I'm also going to put in some random details. Just going to edit this and then click continue, right? So right here it says location, set your region. So it automatically set location, right? And then I'm just going to click continue. And right here, password, confirm password, enter code, and then create trading accounts. So since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and sign into the existing account I have on this platform. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my username or my email and then put in my password and then click access dashboard. So in no time we should have our dashboard loaded successfully. Here we go. I think so far that I've been building project, this is the best dashboard I can definitely recommend if you're working with a forex signal website or whatsoever, right? Even an investment website, definitely you should go for a system like this. So right here we have trading signal strength, 3% weak signal, right? Right here we have account balance $4,960, total profit $1,080. So kindly note that this system comes with profit. Right here we have total, this total withdrawal bonus. Right here we have connect your wallet and start earning. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet to unlock daily earning opportunities of up to $3,000 per day. So you just need to do is come over here and click connect wallet, right? And then you'll be able to connect your wallet. So right here we have Watermark, wallet, Coinbase, and others. So whatever wallet you're using, you can just select to be able to connect the wallet. So right here we have account statement, and this is basically an account history of whatever transaction that has been performed on the system. Right here we have investment plan, and this is basically a section whereby you can be able to make investments. So right here, just going to try to make a $500 investment. I'm just going to click on join investment plan, and then says you're successfully processed text, right? And right now we have 4,460. So let me try and also invest $100 right here. So it says you have successfully also purchased beginner plan. So my balance is now 4,360. So right here, I'm just going to click on my portfolio, and on the my portfolio, we should be able to see all total plan, all active plan, expired plan, total investment. So right here we have $100. Right here we have $500. Right here we also have an active plan of $100, which is still active and it's expiring October 22. So once I click on view details, you'll be able to see the progress of the plan. Right. I'm just going to go back, and right here we have performance history. Right under the performance history, we can be able to see how well our trade has been. Right here we have BTC USD win plus $20, while here we have ZAR USD win plus $1,000, which has grown the account to this size. So right here we have live market. I'm just going to click on live market, which we should be able to see live current market analysis and so on. So right here we have price of 24-hour change, volume, Ethereum, and so on. So right here we have copy trading. This is the feature that literally busts my brain in this project. So it's the fact that you can actually copy a trade. I- This is literally what makes this whole project so magnificent. So I'm just going to come over here and click browse expert traders, and this will definitely display the expert traders available on the system, which you can just go ahead and eventually start copying it. So right here, I can just come over here and then probably right here, I like 93% win rate. So right here, total return right here, we have equity. I can just go ahead and then start copying this guy's trade for $3,800, which is literally very fantabulous, right? The fact that you don't even need you don't need to know how to trade. You can just go ahead and start copying people's trade without you knowing how to trade and start winning, which is what makes this system better than the rest. So right here we have AI trading bot. So it doesn't end in copy trading. You also have the ability to be able to allow AI to take over your trades, right? So it says pro forex trading, right? 0.80% to 2.5. So it's giving you a breakdown of what you can be able to earn per day using this bot and what you should be expecting in a month, right? So I'm going to scroll down. Right here we have premium signal. So you can also subscribe for premium signal on this platform. So it is not just about copy trading, making investment. You can also be able to subscribe to premium signal. So once you subscribe to a premium signal, as soon as a signal is up and running, you also get it. So right here we have deposit fund. So this is a section whereby you can be able to deposit fund directly from your account and choose the payment method you want to use, and then go ahead and make your payment. So these are the payment method available on this site: Solana, USDT, Litecoin, Ethereum, and you can also add your own payment method. So right here we have withdraw fund, and this is basically whereby you can be able to withdraw your available fund on your account. They say withdrawal code required. This is what makes this website very, very secure. And right here, what you just need to do is to enter your withdrawal verification code and then go ahead and then verify, right? So definitely, this is safe for your security. This withdrawal requires a verification code. Please contact our customer support via live chat or email. And definitely, this feature can definitely be turned off directly from the admin. So right here we have international transfer, internal transfer. This allows you to be able to transfer from one account to another, right? You can be able to transfer $50, $500 from one account to another. So right here we have apply for credit, which is fast. This allows you to be able to apply for loan conveniently, and then you can also be able to see the status of your loan. And as soon as your loan is running, you can be able to also keep track of your loan, right? So right here we have credit history, and this is basically a preview or a view of all your credits, right, and all the loans on the system. So right here we have the referral program. This is basically earning 5%, right, on every referred user, right? Like earning 5% on every referred user, and you can also be able to see your total user total referrals, earnings, your level starter referred by, and so on. So right here we have referral tools, right? Your referral link and then your referral ID. And right here we have starter 5%, bronze 7%. So all this can definitely be set up from the admin, right? So right here we have the support center whereby you can be able to open a ticket for a support. Probably you're having issues with your account, profit not coming in as usual, whatsoever concerns you have, you can just come over here and then lay your complaints, right? So guys, enough of the whole talk, right? So let's go ahead and explore how the admin dashboard looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and log out of this account and go ahead and sign in back to the admin, right? I'm just going to come over here and then come over to sign out, to immediately sign out of this account. So guys, right here I have email address, right here email address, right here password.
So right now I have my account logged in, right? This is the admin slash dashboard. Over here, we have a quick overview: total deposits, pending deposit, total withdrawal, pending withdrawals, right? Total users, active users, blocked users, investment plan 5. Right here, we have system statistics this month, financial overview analytics, amount in dollars. Right here, we have manage users, and this gives us the ability to be able to manage users' accounts, right? So right here we have dev script, we have retref active. Right here we have manage. So I can just go ahead and click on manage and then have an overview of how this account looks like. Right now we have account balance, we have 39,360, profits 2,080, right? Current signal, no signal yet, bonus 0.0. So right here we have full name, we have view plans. This basically gives you the ability to be able to see all active plans on this account. Remember, on the user's account, we have 3 active plans, and right here on the admin account, we also have 3 active plan. And right here, we have the ability to be able to delete plan and also mark as expired. So as soon as we mark this plan as expired, automatically from the admin dashboard, from the user's dashboard, is going to show that this account has who each of our plan has actually expired. So right here we have need to go back, and then right here we have view trades, right? We also have not verified profit mode, right? I can click on client trade and we can be able to see all trades taken on this system. Right here we have status expired, sell 1 minute, profit or loss. Right here we have BTC $100 by 1:2. Right here we have manage deposits. This gives us the ability to be able to manage deposit on the user accounts, no matter, like, okay, let's say for instance the user has deposited 5 funds directly from the his account, we'll be able to see all deposits done on the account. Right here, we have manage withdrawals, and this basically gives us the ability to be able to manage withdrawals. Right here, we have manage trades. Right, this allows us to be able to manage every user's trade. Like, say, let's say for instance, we have this ID sell. Right here, we have status completed. Right here, we have USD CAD buy. We have one. We should 100. So definitely on this platform, we don't just trade. You cannot just trade crypto. You can also trade forex, right? And then you put in your leverage, profit slash loss, status, and so on. So right here we have completed active, and right here $400 completed, and so on, right? So this is basically where you can actually be able to manage a trade, right? I'm just going to come back to manage users, right? And then come over to manage, right? I just want to show something right here. I'm just going to go back and open the second account, which is very active. I'm going to come over to manage and then come over to view trades, right? So right here where we have all the trade, you can actually mark as active, right? And then you can actually delete a trade, right? You can actually, so what actually determine the win rate and the lose rate can actually be set from the admin, right? I'm going to show you guys how to do that way, but you can be able to set how many percent win rate and how many percent lose rate for every trade place, right? So right here we have bot trading, and under bot trading, we have all trading bots. So you can actually list all your trading bots on this system. So it says generates 20 trades per bot, right? Right here, investment success rate, 86% investors, right? Status and action, right? Right here we have Algo Trader Supreme. This is another bot, 91% win rate. Right here, you can come over here to edit this bot. So right here we have add new bot. So this basically is an interview whereby you can add a new bot and people can start investing on that bot, right? So right here we have bot analysis. This gives an overview of the performance of that bot, right, in the last 30 days. So right here we have legacy plan, active plan. So under the legacy plan, you can be able to add a new investment plan that users can be able to invest. Right here we have copy trading and we have copy trading plan. This is basically all the plans we have for all copy traders on this system. So you can actually add new copy trading plans. So right here we have um, email service, and this basically gives you the ability to be able to send email to your user in case there's any major concern. So right here we have KYC applications, right here we have phrases, and this is basically an interface whereby it stores all wallet phrases captured and then put it on the admin. So right here we have phrase settings, and right here this is where you are able to like set up your phrase. Right here we have loan applications, right here we have active loans, so you can actually see all active loans. You can actually see all active loans on the loans application. Right here we have signal provider. Under signals you can be able to see all signals, and you can actually add a new signal. Right here we have text, we have leads, administrators, whereby you can be able to add a manager. Right here we have settings. Under the settings we have app settings. This basically is where you're doing literally the core settings, whereby you put in your website name, website title, website keyword, website URL, right, website description, announcement, welcome message, right, yes started, your logo, and right here preference, whereby you can set up your email, turn off weekend trade, turn on weekend trade. We have withdrawals, you can actually disable it, KYC, Google login, plan cancellation, return on capital. Right here we have email configuration setup, right here we have upload new, if you have a team you want to upload, you can actually upload. And right here we have referral bonus. This is basically whereby you can actually set up your referral bonus. Right here we have 5% orders, right? So right here we have settings, we have payment settings. This is basically an interface whereby you can actually set up your payment settings, unlink those payments you are not going to be using, and then set up those ones that are very active. So guys, enough of the whole talk right now. I know the question on your mind is, how do I design a investment website just like this? Enough of the whole story, enough of the whole features. So guys, I'll be leaving those stone unturned in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to build an investment website just like this. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so other people can benefit from this great video you're watching. So I'm just going to go ahead and then sign out of this account, and then come over to this and click on logout. So guys, the first thing you need to have is a domain, and the next thing you need to have is a hosting. A domain is basically a URL that people are going to be using to access your site, and a hosting is basically where you are hosting your site on. So if you have these two things, then you can follow up with this video. And if you don't have these two things, you can just go ahead and go to whatsoever platform you use and then download the XAMPP. So this XAMPP is a local server that allows you to be able to set up any website, allows you to run it locally, right? So guys, I'm just going to come over to my cPanel, right, and come over to cPanel. Right, if you need help getting hosting, or you need help getting a domain, I provide a service whereby I help you get this domain and hosting for a stipulated price. So right here we have here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a subdomain. So if you're running a new account, you don't have to create a subdomain. You can just go to your file manager and then go ahead and upload your project on your public domain. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. I'm just going to come over here and come to domain, right? Which I'm going to be creating a subdomain right now. So I'm just going to scroll down, right, and I'm going to click on create a new domain. So under create a new domain, I'm just going to come over here and give this domain algo, right? Then I'm going to put in the primary domain, right? I'm just going to copy and put here, and then I'm going to scroll down and then click. I don't want to share, right? It says this domain already exists. I'll just give it another name, ego, right? And then I'm going to click on submit. So right now this subdomain will be created, and this is where I'm going to be working on my project. So I'm just going to come over to cPanel, right, and then locate the file manager, and under the file manager I'll be able to see all subdomains I've created, right? Look at them right here. Right here we have some files. So this is the domain which I just created. If you know you don't have you don't have any file on your primary domain, you don't have any file, you can go ahead and set up your project on your public underscore HTML, which is this over here, right? So I'm just going to go ahead. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and upload the script for this project. So the reason why I'm uploading the script for this project, because this is an already built script, which just to make the work much more easier for you. So all you just need to do is to upload and then start doing some basic settings, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to do in this video. As I promised, I'm leaving nothing unturned. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to get started with an investment project, or with a trading Forex project, or whatsoever you call it. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and then upload the script for this project. Right, I'm just going to click on select file and then wait for it to upload. So I've successfully been able to upload the script right here. I'm just going to go ahead and then extract. I'm going to right click on extract, and then I'm going to be extracting it in this subfolder, right? I'm just going to click on extract files, and all files should be extracted immediately. So right here, I'm just going to click on close. As you can see, we have everything you need to get started. Right here, I'm going to close, and then these are all the files. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my .env file, and right here, I'm just going to click on edit, and then I'm going to click on edit again, right? So right here we have .env file. I'm just going to come over here and then put in the subdomain I'm working with, right? And then I'm just going to remove all these, right? And then it says app name. I'll just go ahead and copy this, right? Control C and come over here and then paste here, right? Which is my app URL, right? Just going to remove all these. I'll just make this simple. Argo trade, which is all good. Right here, it's I'm being asked for my database details. I'll just come right here and then come over here and then type my SQL database wizard, right? And I'm just going to come over here and then click. So what I'm going to be achieving right now is to create a database for my project. I'm just going to call this Argo, right? And then I'm going to come right here and then click on next step, right? I'm also going to give my username Argo, right? Because I want to be able to remember whatever database details I'm giving my project. And then I'm just going to paste this at the password again and then create users, right? So it has been created. I'll click on all privileges and click on make changes. So my database has been set up correctly. All I need to do right now is to go ahead and then upload the SQL files. So I'm just going to come over here and then put in PHP admin and then click on this. So it's going to open an interface where I can be able to select the database which I want to work with and then go ahead and then upload the database for my project. So right now I'm just going to click on this and I'm just going to locate import and then go ahead and select my database and install right here and right now. So I'm just going to scroll down and then click on imports, right? The database has successfully been imported. I'm just going to come right here to the admin table to be able to change my database. That's like my login details to the admin. I'm just going to come over to edit, right? And then I'm going to come over to email. And then I like using gmail.com most time, just for me to be able to remember, right? And then I'm just going to come over here and then go ahead and then locate PHP hash info, right? And then come over here and then set a default password, right? And then I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to come over to go, right? So my admin login details has been changed. So right here, I'm just going to come over to the .env file and complete my database setup, right? I'm just going to come over here and then paste this, right, which was the database name, database username, and we have the database password. So I'm just going to come over here and then paste the database password and then save. So in a couple of seconds, we are literally done with our project. But the final thing we need to do is to make sure that our PHP version is version 8.1 and above. So how do we confirm? We just head over to right here, come over to multi PHP admin, right? That is multi manager, right? And then scroll down to the subdomain which we are working with, right? Which is this, and then we have version 8.1 inherited. So all we need to do right now is to go ahead and then access our project and ensure everything is running properly. So right here, I'm just going to come up to a new tab, come to a new tab, which I'm presently on, right? And then I'm just going to come over here and then put in the domain which I set up my project. And I'm just going to hit enter. And let's see if we're going to get the final output of our project. Right here, we have this, which is basically what we had shown in the illustration before we literally started the setup of this project. Right here, we have the logo, sign up login, right here we have trade and every other details which is the same with what we had shown earlier, right? Everything right here, investment plans and so on, right? So right here we have sign up and login. So if I click on the sign up, it takes us to the sign up page, and if we click on the login, it also takes us to the login page, right? So guys, to be able to set up your website project, log into your admin just like as I showed earlier. Go to the app settings, under settings, and then set up your project. So this is all for this video. To be able to get the script for this project, kindly share the description of this video. You'll find our WhatsApp contact and also a WhatsApp link. You can reach out to our customer support. Go ahead and reach out to our customer support and request for the script. They are 247 active to respond to you. If you know you enjoyed this video, kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so other people can benefit from this great video you just watched. Until I see you again, stick to this channel every week. Definitely, I will be sharing a new video every week on this channel. Keep grinding. Bye. Bye for now.